Well, welcome back. I just wanted to show you all of some of my canning that I'm using today for supper. And I want to show you, these are my cranberry beans that we did in February, that my husband put the date on here. And I just want to show you, I ordered this online. This is a can opener for the jars, and it's just like this. I ordered it online and it just pop open. I don't know if you can hear that air that came out. And these are the beans. I'm gonna put in here. This is the cranberry beans. And as you can still see the seasoning in here. Now I'm going to open up the second jar. You can throw these, make sure you throw these lids away. Do not reuse these lids. Throw them away. Anytime you open your jars, you have to throw. See if you can hear that air come out of it. That vacuum sealed. And all you have to do, don't even have to season them. They already seasoned. They're ready to go. Just put a little water in there if you want to. You see all that seasoning that was in that jar? That's my cranberry bean. Like I say, throw these lids away. Do not reuse this. If you want to, you can order this online. I went to Walmart.com and I ordered this lid lifter for canning. Lid lifter for canning. And this here is some leftover turkey loin I had, and I just baked that this morning. Cut some potatoes up there and put some lemon pepper and garlic powder, season that. That's ready to go. That's some turkey loins I had left over. And this here, y'all, is my cabbage that I had canned. That's the cabbage with the beef broth. That's my cabbage, and I just cooked some rice to go along with it. So this is Sunday supper, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed the tour of the garden this morning. I hope y'all enjoyed but I just want to show some of my canning stuff that I am using it, but I'm gonna buy me some more and recan it. But thank y'all for coming along with me this morning. I certainly enjoyed you. And don't forget, make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.